This is the 8th week update for the water main replacement project on the Belleville Square. We're moving right along here. We have all the water services transferred over. There was a couple services that had galvanized that we had to take all the way to the building and put it all in copper, but the service transfers went pretty smoothly. And we're nearing the end here. We're starting with the pavement restoration, and we expect that to go into next week. Once we have the patching done on all the open holes, we'll start with the resurfacing project. You usually see about 2 days of milling, 2 days of paving, and then after that we'll start with pavement markings, and that's going to signal the end of the pavement restoration.
Downtown's been able to host some of our major events because of the partnership with Loki and Illinois American Water. We were able to host Music Row, we've had the Belleville Main Street Port Tour, and most recently the Main Street Mingle. And all those have been able to draw out the community and show them that downtown is still open. They get a chance to look at what's going on in the square and know that progress is being made so we can have a great future ahead of us. The project is fluid and ever changing, so be patient. Understand if they have to change something on a moment's notice. The communication is open with the project manager down there with Loki and Illinois American Water. And if there's an issue, just come to us and we'll get it resolved. They're open and willing to listen to the businesses. Knowing that the water mains under the area were really old, this just sets us up for a future where maybe we won't have to close the square again for a really long time. Belleville will be able to continue to host their parades and their festivals and all the fun things that happen downtown. And we just want to thank Illinois American Water, Loki, and Lockmiller for providing this opportunity to continue our progress for the next 100 years.